Did you know that billions of pounds worth of credit card rewards points go unredeemed every year? That's right, billions. It's like leaving free money on the table. These points can be incredibly valuable, offering everything from cashback and gift cards to flights and hotel stays. Many people don't realize the potential of these rewards programs. They might forget about their points or find the redemption process too complicated. But with a little effort, you can unlock a world of savings and benefits. Imagine jetting off on a dream holiday or treating yourself to something special, all funded by your credit card rewards. It's entirely possible. Don't let your hard-earned rewards go to waste. Let's explore how to make the most of them. In today's world, every penny counts. Maximizing your credit card rewards is a smart way to stretch your budget further. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or planning a luxurious getaway, these rewards can help you reach your financial goals faster. Think of it as a bonus for using your credit card responsibly. By making everyday purchases and paying your balance in full and on time, you can accumulate valuable points that can be redeemed for a variety of rewards. It's like getting a little something back for the things you were going to buy anyway. Who wouldn't want that? So, let's dive into some common challenges people face when it comes to utilizing their rewards. One of the biggest hurdles is simply a lack of awareness. Many people are unaware of the full range of rewards offered by their credit card providers. Others might find the terms and conditions confusing or the redemption process too time-consuming. Some common challenges include forgetting about earned points or letting them expire, not understanding the different redemption options or their value, and finding the redemption process too complicated or time-consuming. But don't worry. We'll break down these barriers and equip you with the knowledge and strategies to maximize your rewards potential. Not all credit cards are created equal, especially when it comes to rewards. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which card is the best fit for your wallet. But don't worry. We're here to help you navigate through the choices and find the perfect card that suits your needs. The first step to maximizing your rewards is choosing a card that aligns with your spending habits and lifestyle. Are you someone who spends a lot on groceries, dining out, or travel? Identifying your primary spending categories will help you narrow down the options. Cashback cards. These cards offer a percentage of your spending back as cash, typically ranging from 1% to 5%. This means that for every pound you spend, you get a small portion back, which can add up over time. This is a great option for those who want a straightforward reward system. If you prefer simplicity and want to see tangible returns on your everyday purchases, cashback cards might be the way to go. Travel rewards cards. These cards allow you to earn points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, car rentals, and other travel-related expenses. The more you spend, the more points or miles you accumulate, which can lead to significant savings on your travel adventures. If you're a frequent traveler, this could be the perfect fit. Imagine earning enough points for a free flight or a luxurious hotel stay just by using your credit card for everyday purchases. Points-based rewards cards. These cards offer points for every pound you spend, which can be redeemed for a wide range of rewards, including merchandise, gift cards, and even charitable donations. The flexibility of these cards makes them appealing to many consumers. Carefully consider your spending patterns and prioritize the rewards that matter most to you. Do you value travel perks, cashback, or the ability to redeem points for various rewards? Your preferences will guide you to the right card. Once you've found the right card, you're well on your way to unlocking a world of rewards. Remember, the key is to use your card responsibly and pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Happy spending. Many credit cards offer bonus categories that allow you to earn points at an accelerated rate. These categories often align with common spending areas, such as groceries, dining, entertainment, or travel. For example, a card might offer 5 times points on groceries and 3 times points on dining. By concentrating your spending in these bonus categories, you can rapidly accumulate points and maximize your rewards potential. Additionally, some cards offer sign-up bonuses for spending a certain amount within the first few months of opening your account. These bonuses can be substantial, sometimes worth hundreds of pounds in rewards. Take the time to understand the bonus categories and sign-up offers associated with your card to make the most of these lucrative opportunities. Section 6. Timing is key strategic spending for maximum rewards. Timing your purchases strategically can also significantly impact your rewards earnings. Many credit card companies offer limited-time promotions or seasonal bonuses that can boost your points accumulation. For example, you might earn double points on all purchases made during your birthday month or during the holiday season. Keep an eye out for these promotions and plan your larger purchases accordingly. Remember, it's not about spending more than you normally would, but rather about being strategic with your spending to maximize your rewards potential. By timing your purchases wisely, you can unlock even greater value from your credit card rewards program. Section 7. Supercharge your points, the power of everyday spending. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked strategies for maximizing credit card rewards is to use your card for everyday purchases. This means using your credit card for all the little things you buy on a regular basis. Instead of reaching for cash or debit, put those everyday expenses on your credit card to earn points on things you buy anyway. Groceries, petrol, utility bills, and even your morning coffee can contribute to your points balance. Online subscriptions. These small recurring expenses can quickly add up to a significant amount of points over time. Think about your streaming services, gym memberships, and even your monthly phone bill. Just remember to pay your balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges, which can quickly negate any rewards earned. It's crucial to stay disciplined and treat your credit card like a debit card, only spending what you can afford to pay off each month. By making a conscious effort to use your credit card for everyday spending, you'll be surprised at how quickly your points balance grows, allowing you to reap the rewards sooner. Whether it's a free flight, a hotel stay, or cashback, the benefits can be substantial. So, start swiping smartly and watch your rewards accumulate. Section 8. Your Rewards Roadmap, Key Takeaways and Benefits. To recap, here's a quick summary of the key strategies for maximizing your credit card rewards. These strategies are designed to help you get the most out of every dollar you spend, ensuring that you reap the maximum benefits from your credit card usage. First and foremost, choose the right card that aligns with your spending habits. Whether you spend more on groceries, travel, or dining out, there's a card tailored to your needs. Next, understand and utilize bonus categories and sign-up offers. These can provide significant boosts to your rewards balance if used wisely. Timing your purchases strategically to coincide with promotions is another key tactic. This ensures you get the highest return on your spending. Use your credit card for everyday purchases and pay it off in full each month. This not only helps you avoid interest charges, but also maximizes your rewards. By following these simple yet effective strategies, you can unlock a world of savings and benefits. Imagine the possibilities that come with smart credit card usage. Imagine enjoying free flights and hotel stays for your next holiday. These rewards can make your travel dreams a reality without breaking the bank. Treating yourself to a special purchase with cashback rewards is another fantastic benefit. Whether it's the latest gadget or a special gift, your rewards can make it happen. Reducing your overall expenses by offsetting the cost of everyday items is another great advantage. From groceries to coffee, your rewards can help you save on the essentials. Don't let your hard-earned rewards go to waste. Regularly check your rewards balance and make sure you're taking full advantage of what you've earned. Take control of your finances and start maximizing your credit card rewards today. With a little planning and smart spending, you can turn your everyday purchases into extraordinary benefits. Section 9. Join the conversation. Share your tips and learn more. What are your favorite credit card rewards strategies? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. For more money-saving tips and advice, visit your website and subscribe to our newsletter. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your finances, every little bit counts.